it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a trunk club unboxing and try on, but in my quest to try to make these unboxing and try on videos a little bit different, my stylist Carson sent me an email with outfit ideas for every single thing listed or included in this box, with the exception of an extra that I added. So I thought it would be fun if we took these pieces, put them together as Carson recommended, and we'll see if we like them, if her vision for me matches my style. Everything I try on will be linked in the description box down below with sizing. There's also a link to sign up for Trunk Club if you're interested. Sneak peek, there's sequins in here. All right, here we go. Outfit number one. So this is like a silver sequins pencil skirt. It's super high-waisted, by the way. It comes all the way up here. This red pop with the red shoes, I wouldn't have thought to pair together, but this is a nice like office Christmas party outfit because it's still fun, but it's not like revealing or anything, you know what I'm saying? So what do I think about this? I kind of love it, but I don't know if pencil skirts are for me. Like I find myself like wanting to pull it down like that to kind of cover that area, but I do think it looks cuter if you kind of just pillow it out a little bit. Maybe some shapewear would help me a little bit better to feel comfortable. The shoes are really comfortable. They're nice. They're like a little kitten heel, slide on like pointed toe, red. The sweater has a little bit of like speckle to it. You can see up close. And these are Madewell earrings. I'll tell you, the earrings, I was a little disappointed when I pulled them out. Like I would prefer them to be bigger hoops, but I don't hate them. So outfit number one, what do we think? All right, next outfit, we have same shoes and same earrings with this like beautiful like burgundy colored city chic dress. This, when I put it on, honestly looked like a potato sack, and I was like, that's not how it looked on the model. But you take these strings that are really long and like loop them over and over and over again until you get to a point where you can't really loop it anymore, and then you tie it. And this gives like such a nice silhouette, right? I love the sleeves. I love how like loose it is, but like cinched in at the waist. I don't know about the red shoes. Do we like it with the red shoes? My camera fell, so if you're in a different position, that's what happened. All right, so I think this is super flattering. I think it's very comfortable. I think it's so pretty. I don't know if I would pair it with the red shoes, but it's different. You know, like as I look at it, it's definitely different. I love the dress. That's for sure. Oh my gosh. This, I feel like I should keep this. Like this is so flattering. Okay, next outfit is the same earrings and the same shoes. But before I show you the pants, I want to show you the shirt. Very reflective, okay? It's like a silver sequins. I like that it's shorter in the front and then longer in the back. You can see it's like a white long back. The only thing with this is it's a little bit snug in the armpits. Like I would like maybe like a ½ inch more space there, but it is a very pretty like holiday top. All right, are y'all ready for the pants? Here we go. Okay, I've been seeing pants exactly like this trending for a while, these like short flare jeans. I don't know if I hate them as much as I thought that I would, but I don't think that I like them. You know what I'm saying? They're just not, I don't know. I would rather wear like a skinny ankle short, like cropped jeans with heels. I think that would just, in my like vision, that just would look better. But then again, I don't think they look bad. And I think it's nice to see what they look like with an outfit. In the past, I've gotten these jeans, tried them on like with no shoes and just a random top, and didn't care for them. So I definitely see the vision now that the whole thing is like put together. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? It's definitely different for me, but this is a really pretty like party outfit. Like if you've got like drinks with friends or something, this is like such a fun holiday get up. Okay, this is the extra that I added, this belt. I follow a lot of like fashion plus size people on Instagram, and these like high-waisted jeans with the belt, I see a lot of them like pulling it off. And so when I spotted this as an extra, I added it. I think it's on the tightest one, and I think I could have used a size smaller for these jeans specifically because they are so high-waisted. Now for regular jeans, this belt would be perfect. Since it's at the smallest part of my waist, it's a little bit big. All right, so what do we think about this? Like this tucking in, like, is this a thing? Is this how it's supposed to look? These are the mom jeans from American Eagle. I get more questions about these jeans than any other thing I've probably ever hauled. I love them. They're comfortable. I'll link them down below too. And this is the last outfit. I had to get you guys on a different camera because my suction cup, it just blew out on me. All right, so these are cut from the cloth boyfriend jeans. I probably own 30 pair of jeans exactly like this. I love them, but I don't need another pair. These, the shoes, I opted for a different color. They were initially going to send me like a tan, and I opted for the green. This is too small. Like, it's just a little too snug. I like my pullovers bigger because it's cold outside and like I want to be cozy. So this outfit I thought honestly would be my favorite, and it's probably my least favorite. I like all of the pieces separate had it been the right size in the top, but I don't know if I like them together. Okay, now that you have seen everything and I'm like extra sweaty, comment down below and let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. In my opinion, the standout by far is that burgundy dress. I love that. It was so flattering. I don't own anything like it. Granted, I wouldn't wear it with the red shoes, but I think it's something that I need to keep for that occasion where you need something nice and you have it and it's just like this beautiful flattering dress. I also like the fact that you can cinch in the waist as much as you want or as little as you want. I think that's really flattering. So that dress is 40% off right now. Regular price is $99. It's a city chic dress. It is on sale for $59.40, so I'll be keeping that for sure. The other thing, let's see, the belt is $49. Like I said, I've been looking for a belt and I haven't really been able to find one that fits me how I want. So do I bite the bullet and pay the 50 bucks or do I keep looking? I may keep looking. So I think my final decision is just to keep that burgundy dress. As always, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.